What it does. Nginx is a powerful, open-source web server that can also act as a reverse proxy, load balancer, and more. It's known for its high performance, scalability, and flexibility. In this example, we'll configure Nginx as a web server, reverse proxy with SSL termination, and load balancer. Command/example. Breaking it down. HTTP. This block defines the HTTP configuration. Server. This block defines a server configuration. Listen 80. This directive specifies the port to listen on, in this case, port 80 for HTTP. Server_name example. This directive specifies the server name. root/var/www/html, this directive specifies the document root. Index. HTML, this directive specifies the index file. SSL_certificate and SSL_certificate_key, these directives specify the SSL certificate and key files for SSL termination. Upstream backend. This block defines the upstream servers for load balancing. Proxy_pass HTTP//backend, this directive specifies the proxy pass to the upstream servers. Proxy_set_header, these directives set the proxy headers. Common mistakes. Forgetting to restart Nginx after changing the configuration. Incorrectly specifying the document root or index file. Not configuring SSL termination correctly. Not defining the upstream servers correctly. Try this next. Try configuring Nginx as a reverse proxy with SSL termination and load balancing for a real-world application. Experiment with different configurations and test the performance. Pro tip. In a production environment, it's essential to use a load balancer to distribute traffic across multiple servers. Nginx can be used as a load balancer, but it's also common to use a dedicated load balancer like HAProxy or Amazon ELB. Additionally, make sure to monitor your Nginx instance and adjust the configuration as needed to ensure optimal performance and security. To further enhance your Nginx configuration, consider the following. Use a tool like Nginx to test the configuration before restarting Nginx. Use a tool like Nginx Reload to reload the configuration without restarting Nginx. Consider using a configuration management tool like Ansible or Puppet to manage your Nginx configuration. Monitor your Nginx instance using tools like Prometheus and Grafana.